Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. So today is the last day of this one palette challenge. I have to say I'm super excited for that because this has been a serious challenge for me. But we're going to end it with not such a big bang. This is going to be more of a natural look that I'm going for, a more wearable look. All the other ones are kind of wearable. I guess you could wear them depending on what your outfit is, but this one can go with anything. This is going to kind of resemble the boy beat look that I did. So very simple. Probably won't even do fake lashes or anything. But yeah, let's get right into this video. I don't want to take too much time talking. I have my primer on and a powder, a very thin layer of powder. I'm going to do a very sheer coverage of foundation. I don't want it to be too full coverage. I want to be able to look very natural with this. I'm just explaining what's about to happen. And then I'm going to use a small layer of concealer. No contour today, and then we should start on the eyes. So yeah. Okay, so now my base is done. It is time to go in with this final look for this challenge. If you are new to the challenge, the one palette that we're using, sorry, that's water. The one palette that we're using is the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. This is what it looks like. And we have gotten 4 looks out of this palette so far. We are on to look number 5 and final look. And it's going to be super easy, super simple. We're just using one shade today, and I'm going in with Cinnamon. I lied, we're using 2 shades, but we're going in with Cinnamon first. And take that all over the lid. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to go into Patchouli. Actually, no, I'm going to go into Clove. Flip it upside down. I'm going to go into Clove, which is right here. And I'm just going to blend that up. Taking that same brush, I'm going to go under the lower lash. Now, I want to go into Jasmine and just sticking to the outside right here. Now we are done with the palette. So I'm going to do my eyebrows, put on mascara, and I will be back. Okay, so brows are done, eyelashes are done. I wanted to do a messy brow today. I didn't want them to be super neat. Because I want this to be a very natural look, which I think I'm doing a really good job with. It's a sheer foundation, so not too full coverage. So I'm liking this. I'm liking this look. Let's finish the rest of the face. I'm going to go in with highlighter. I don't know which highlighter I wanted to use today, so I put like a million of them out. I've got my Physicians Formula, Master Holographic, Master Chrome. I've got my dollar store. I got it all. And I got my sample from Sephora, which is the FX, Cover FX. I don't know which one I want to use. I just don't know. I may end up doubling them for real though. I'm gonna set my face really quick. Okay. I'm going with the Master Chrome first. Just because I know how I feel about this one. Like, I know that I love this one. I think I want to go over that. I'm going to go over it with the holographic, the Master Holographic. So, keep it in the Maybelline family. There's like glitter specks. Man, my nose is itching. I believe that means that somebody's thinking about you. Somebody has me on the brain. Ooh, yes. Ooh, yes. I didn't even realize how good that was looking. It is looking fabuloso. I actually really hate the smell of Fabuloso. Reminds me of when I was pregnant with my oldest, and yeah, I hated that scent. It made me puke all the time. This is looking good. Okay, I just wiped that all off. My nose is itching so bad. That highlighter, dude, is so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. On to the next one. I'm going to go in with this Miami Fever Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick from Ofra. This came in my January box. But I'm going to line my lips with the chocolate. Oh gosh. I'm so predictable with my lips, but why fix what isn't broken? So this is our final look, and I love it. I love how natural it is. I love how subtle it is. So from this challenge, I have learned that I can get extremely extravagant, and I can get extremely soft and simple and natural with this palette. This is the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. This came in my November BOXYCHARM. I don't know why I couldn't think straight, but yeah, and it retails for like $24, so you can get it off the website for like $24. I love the palette. I'm happy that this week is over. I don't have to worry about doing another look out of this palette. I definitely want to do this again with other palettes. I don't know if I'll do smaller palettes or bigger palettes. I don't know. Maybe an 18 color palette, or something with more colors. I think that will be more of a challenge for me, just because I don't use a lot of colors to begin with, even though I really want to. I want to get into colors. I want to get into the yellows and the blues and the oranges and stuff like that. So I had fun. This was really fun. I was really excited for this video today, because I knew that I wanted to do something natural and keep it kind of simple, and I'm happy that I got to do it, and I love it. I love the way that everything came together. The eyes look beautiful. They're not too much. If you wanted to give this a little bit more of a glam, you could add eyeliner and false lashes, but I just wanted to keep it really natural today and really simple and elegant and wearable, and something you could do in like 20 minutes. It's a really easy look without all the talking to you guys and stopping and joking and playing. I could really pull this look off in like 10 minutes, but I like it. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys try some of these looks. I would love to see them if you guys are trying them. I had a lot of fun. It was not easy, but I had a lot of fun, and I'm happy it's over. Yeah, I'm ready to start playing in my other palettes. I mean, it was nice because I knew exactly what I was going to be using every day for a week, so that was nice. I didn't have to think about what I was going to be using too much, but yeah. So if you guys like this look, let me know with a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.